Hey everyone, welcome to Education App. So guys, today I have brought a very good, informative table for you through which you can go through your whole chapter of biological classification. Right? This is guys because this table consists of all your kingdoms along with the basic characters which differentiate each of them from each other. So this table can help you a lot, and let's begin. So guys, you can see this table over on your screens, right? So this table is from class 11th biology NCERT book, right? So you have seen this table in your book, but you haven't focused ever on it, right? So this is really very important and will help you a lot if you go through this table, because this table is summarized all the kingdoms and their basic characters which differentiate each of them from each other, right? So you don't have to go through a lot of books and notes, your question answers to get over all the kingdoms. So you have to just open up table and you have to go through each character and each kingdom, so it will make your study easy, right? So let's see what are the character and the kingdoms based upon them, right? So first kingdom is given Monera. So first of all we will be seeing the all characters of kingdom Monera. We will be seeing next of the upcoming kingdoms, right? So first kingdom is Monera, right? फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जो इसमें दी गई है टेबल में वो है आपकी सेल टाइप. इट मीन्स वेदर द सेल इज यूकैरियोट और प्रोकैरियोट. सो मोनेरा इज प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल. इट मीन्स प्रोकैरियोटिक means it doesn't have a well defined nuclear, and the organelles in this type of cell doesn't have any membrane around them. So these cells are called as prokaryotes. Second character is cell wall. So Monera kingdom has non-celluloid cell wall. Non-celluloid means in actual its cell wall is made of polysaccharide and amino acids, right? So basically it means that these plants are basically not having the glucosic or celluloid walls, right? Nuclear membrane is absent in Monera kingdom. It is because these kingdoms are having prokaryotic cells. So if prokaryotic cell is there, so there must not be any nuclear membrane, because prokaryotic cells are primitive types of cells, right? The third character of differentiation is body organization. Body organization means whether the plant is multicellular or unicellular. So body organization of Monera is cellular. Cellular means only a single cell carries out all life processes. Fine. Last character is mode of nutrition, right? So they carry both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. It means few plants from Monera kingdom carry out the autotrophic mode of nutrition, while few depends upon other animals and carry out the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, right? Now next kingdom is kingdom Protista. Now same wise we will see firstly the cell type. So Protista are the eukaryotic cells. It means they have well defined nucleus membrane along with the all organelles in the cell having a membrane around them. Fine. Second character is cell wall, right? So basically cell wall is present in some of the plants while absent in others. Nuclear membrane is present because they are eukaryotic cells. So eukaryotic cells have a well defined nuclear membrane. Fourth one is body organization, right? They are also cellular body organization. It means only the one cell carries out all the life process. And the last is mode of nutrition. So they also carry out both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now third kingdom fungi. Cell type of fungi kingdom is eukaryotic. Cell wall of fungi kingdom belongs to the special pigment made of chitin, right? It means कि इनकी जो membrane होती है, cell wall होती है, वो special structured chitin से बनी होती है, not rather than glucose or cellulose, but rather than chitin, right? Nuclear membrane is present in kingdom because the kingdom fungi is having eukaryotic cell types, so obviously the nuclear membrane will present. Body organization is multicellular, and some of the plants of fungi kingdom have loose tissues also present. Fine. Multicellular means all the cells are divided into a specific work of them, and these specific works of cells form a large number of organelles in the body, and these organs basically form a division of labor and reduces the burden of work over a one organ in a multicellular organs, right? So body type is multicellular, and mode of nutrition in kingdom fungi is heterotrophic. In the heterotrophic category, they generally carry out the saprophytic and parasitic mode of nutrition. Now what is saprophytic mode of nutrition? Saprophytic mode of nutrition is that when the plant or animal depends upon dead and decaying matter for their nutrition, right? And the parasitic are the living organisms which depend on their host for their survival and the food. Now second last kingdom is kingdom Plantae. So cell type of these kingdom is eukaryotic. It means well defined nucleus and nuclear membrane. Cell wall is made of cellulose. As we know, cellulose is present in green and autotrophic plants. So cell wall of these kingdom, it means kingdom Plantae, is made of cellulose. Nuclear membrane is also present because the cell type is eukaryotic. Body organization is tissue or organ. So with this we can say they are multicellular, because if tissue and organ is present, so any of organization will be multicellular. Mode of nutrition autotrophic. It means they carry out photosynthesis for their food. Now last kingdom is kingdom Animalia, right? So Animalia have the cell type eukaryotic. Same way as the well-defined nucleus along with the nuclear membrane. Basically cell wall is absent in these because they don't have any special structure to maintain the cell wall. So a cell wall in kingdom Animalia is absent, and nuclear membrane is present because cell is a eukaryotic. Body organization tissue या फिर आप organ system बोल सकते हो. So in short they are multicellular organisms. Mode of nutrition, so they basically carry out heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition they even carry out holozoic or saprophytic, right? So this was all about kingdom classification which was given by Whittaker, right? So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.